The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a modern reinterpretation of the classic coupe that blends vintage styling with contemporary performance and technology. Designed to capture the elegance of the original model, this sleek vehicle features smooth curves, a low-slung profile, and refined aerodynamics. The streamlined bodywork pays homage to the timeless appeal of the original while incorporating modern materials and engineering for improved efficiency and performance. LED headlights and taillights seamlessly integrate into the vehicle's design, providing a sharp and futuristic look. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers a range of powertrain options, including an advanced electric model that delivers instant torque and an exceptionally smooth ride. For those who appreciate traditional power, Volkswagen provides a turbocharged gasoline engine option, ensuring a balance of performance and efficiency. The chassis is engineered for agility, offering precise handling and a comfortable ride suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. Adaptive suspension technology further enhances the driving experience by adjusting to road conditions in real time. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Karmann Ghia blends classic inspiration with modern luxury. High-quality materials such as leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood trim create a refined atmosphere. The digital cockpit features a fully customizable instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration. Advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous emergency braking, provide both convenience and safety. The seats are designed for comfort on long journeys, with ample support and heating options. A premium audio system ensures a rich listening experience, making every drive enjoyable. The car's spacious layout, despite its coupe design, offers practicality with clever storage solutions and an intuitive control layout. Ambient lighting enhances the mood inside the cabin, providing a customizable environment for drivers and passengers. Volkswagen has equipped the 2025 Karmann Ghia with cutting-edge connectivity features, including over-the-air software updates, voice control, and an advanced navigation system. The vehicle is designed to be future-proof, supporting new digital services and features as they become available. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports ensure that all devices stay powered throughout any journey. The exterior color options are carefully curated to complement the car's sleek design, with a mix of classic hues and modern metallic finishes. Aerodynamic alloy wheels add to the sporty aesthetic while improving efficiency. The car's compact size makes it ideal for urban environments, yet its road presence remains striking and unmistakable. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the sport-tuned variant, which features enhanced suspension, performance brakes, and a more aggressive styling package. This version delivers sharper acceleration and improved handling dynamics, making it a thrilling option for those who enjoy spirited driving. With a perfect fusion of heritage and innovation, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia stands as a tribute to one of the brand's most beloved models while embracing the latest in automotive technology. It is a car that appeals to classic car lovers and modern drivers alike, offering a unique blend of nostalgia, performance, and cutting-edge features.